What we're doing today is we're making stuffed peppers in the oven. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. We're going to stuff them with brown basmati rice. We're going to use some corn. This is Stater Brothers, our local grocery store. We're going to use cut red beans. These are going to be the containers for the stuffed peppers. Of course, these are bell peppers. And we're also going to add salsa, paste, chunky salsa as a seasoning. Alright, so first turn on your oven on high. I've dropped in a cup of basmati rice into this 2-quart saucepan, and I've added 2.5 cups of water. I've already showed this how to do this in another video, so that's all I'm going to show you until the preparation time for the peppers. In the comments section below, you'll see the link to this video. Take your peppers and line them up. I'm cooking 6 of them. Take these things off, these stickers on them, and sometimes it damages the skin. We're lucky on this one. Take all those off. They don't taste good when they're cooked. They'll bake on and you'll have to damage them to get them off. This is the time to do that. Now these are common green ones. I got them for $1 each. These are red ones. I got them for $1.50 for 2. And these are yellow and green. I got these for $1.50 for 2 as well. The next step is to cut them. Okay. Now what you want to do is, the container is a circle, the entire body of the green pepper, and you want to cut them about like this. You want a little cap on the top. With the green one, see, you want a cap. You're going to be cleaning this out in a minute. We're just going to cut them first. Here's the red one, and here's the yellow one. Just get sure you get all of these done. Okay, now be careful when you use these knives. These knives are very sharp. Alright. The next step is to clean them off. So you grab your hands and you just twist. See how the center just comes off? You want to get rid of these little seeds. They don't add anything to it. So you see how you see the small little seeds right here? You don't want these either. You want to make sure there's no seeds in the pepper. The red one, you're just going to stick your fingers inside and just grab it. You don't want any seeds. Now we're just going to put these away to the side. They've been washed and the seeds have been removed, and we're going another step. The next step we're doing is we're going to cut the green bean. We're going to cut these green beans. These are fresh green beans. Of course, I could use scissors, but we're going to really almost dice these. We're going to be mixing them with corn and tomato sauce. Take your knife, and you could go like this. What you're doing, mostly you pay a premium for these long beans. But I wanted to have fresh beans for the family dinner that we're going to tonight. And I wanted these to be part of the stuffed pepper. Now try to cut the same size of the bean. That way they'll cook at the same time. You want to make sure that they have enough time to cook.
He's chewing on something.
That's not bean. He's chewing on beans that I gave him, so it's okay.
Green beans.
He's a green bean fanatic.
Cause I'm the green bean boy.
I'm the green bean boy.
I got some green bean joy.
Yeah, I guess a green bean joy, yeah.
He never runs out of joy, this boy.
Hey, you never run out of joy, do you?
So you see the water's boiling. I'm going to put these in. And then I'm going to set the timer 2 minutes while this continues to boil. Just going to mix it around here, and then we'll introduce it inside the pepper. Okay, now what we're doing now is we're assembling it. So you take a big spoon like this, and this is the basmati rice. So you just take a little bit, and you're going to put the base layer of basmati rice in all of the peppers. Then you're going to take a little bit of green beans, and you're going to give a layer of that in each of the bell peppers. Just trying to get the liquid green bean juice, the water that it's blanched in. Try not to introduce that into your pepper. Though the rice will pick up some of it, don't want to introduce too much liquid. you're going to take your cold, frozen, cooked corn and you're going to make another layer. Now, of course, if you had fresh corn, you'd use fresh corn. It's just not out for us right now. But eventually it will be. Summer will eventually come up and there'll be plenty of corn to have. Then you do it all over again. Then you take some more rice and you put it on top. I had to squish them a little bit to get in the pan. I'll cover up all of the corn, the rice. Then you're going to press it down a little bit. It's a little different than what I've done in the past. So if you were to cut into this, you'd be able to see a pattern. You'd see the rice, the green beans, the corn, then the rice again. And you're going to push it inside. Then you're going to take some more of the frozen corn and you're going to lay it on top. Okay, so it's almost at the top, so just fill up the top with the rest of the corn. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use paste chunky salsa as your seasoning. And this time you're going to put a lot in. Last time we used it, we only put a little bit in. You're going to really layer it in. And you're going to take your spoon and you're going to push it in. Like this one here doesn't have very much in. It's going to infuse all the way through the pepper. It's going to add a very nice taste. You don't add paste chunky salsa. Whatever you have that's in a can, that's salsa or something related. Or seasoned tomato sauce. You probably could even get away with spaghetti sauce. If you like spaghetti sauce, that's another way of doing it. I'm just going to try to squeeze it in if you can. As you can see, you have a lot left. You have a lot of rice left over. You have some green beans left over, and I still have some more in the fridge. You still have some corn that can be used. Now you're going to cook them in the oven like this. Don't forget to pour your water in. You'll need 1.5 cups. You can always pull it out when you're going to someone's house. Hi, this is Garrett. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.